Hey there, curious minds. Here is what is moving today. The big US stock market, the S&P 500, dipped a bit, down less than 1%. A gauge of market jitters, the VIX, climbed about 7%. Bitcoin had a solid day, up about 6%. A direct challenge to Federal Reserve independence and US national debt hitting $40 trillion are developments that tend to weigh on risk appetite today. Moderna shares were down 23.5% today as investors took profits after Wednesday's big surge. Looking at sector performance today, energy was the strongest, rising just over 0.25%. Healthcare, on the other hand, was the weakest, falling almost 2%. Overall, 9 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors saw declines. The Magnificent Seven tech giants were all down today. Amazon led the losses, falling about 2%. President Trump threatened Iran today. Aerospace and defense was the biggest mover, down over 3%. Overall, the US stock market saw declines. SpaceX was busiest today, about 120 million shares. Moderna was also super busy, down over 23%. 8 of the 10 busiest names closed lower. It wasn't their day. Walmart and Deere both beat earnings estimates today, while PDD's results are due next week. Also, Walmart and Amgen go ex-dividend tomorrow. U.S. Treasury yields saw the 5-year at 4.39%, the 10-year yield rose 4 basis points to 4.70%, and the 30-year at 5.24%. The long-term Treasury fund was down about 0.75% as yields edged higher across the curve, weighing slightly on bond prices. The US dollar index was little changed today. The Japanese yen weakened about 0.5% against the dollar. The Korean won weakened slightly against the dollar. Overnight, markets across Asia were mostly higher. In Europe, markets closed mixed. The biggest move outside the US was Korea's Kospi index, which rose about 5%. Oil rose about 3% today, and silver also gained about 3%. Separately, natural gas and copper both eased. Bitcoin climbed about 6% to around $73,000, with Ripple and miner Marathon Digital both up about 16%. Ethereum led a broader market rally, though Robinhood saw weakness. Oil prices could rise towards $90 with global tensions. Keep an eye on the US 10-year bond rate, especially near 5%. For August, our rules-based models watch list includes 3 names, each chosen by the same monthly rules. Our session ends. Stay curious, and we'll see you at the next briefing.